This is what 80 years has taught me. That sudden, sharp pain in the middle of the night when your leg muscles tighten like a vice. It's not just pain, it's your body asking for help. Welcome to Golden Life for Seniors, your trusted space for wisdom, wellness, and lifelong inspiration. If you're over 50 or just seeking life advice rooted in experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to share 3 simple, delicious foods that can help prevent those painful leg cramps and keep your muscles strong and supple. There's nothing more frustrating than being jolted awake by a charley horse or struggling with stiff muscles when you want to move freely. But here's the good news: nature has provided us with some powerful allies that can help. These aren't exotic or hard to find ingredients, but everyday foods you've probably already enjoy. Let me share how eggs, bananas, and nuts can become your natural solution to muscle cramps. First, let's talk about eggs, nature's perfect protein package. As we age, our muscles naturally lose some of their strength and resilience, a condition called This makes us more prone to cramps and weakness. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids that our muscles need to stay strong. These 6 grams of high-quality protein in each egg helps repair muscle fibers and reduce fatigue. But eggs offer more than just protein. They're also a natural source of vitamin D, which helps our bodies absorb calcium properly. Many seniors don't realize that vitamin D deficiency can actually cause muscle cramps. While one egg won't meet all your vitamin D needs, it's a great start when combined with other sources like sunlight and fortified foods. If you're enjoying these practical tips, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life for Seniors and join our wonderful community of health-conscious friends. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve health. As we get older, our ability to absorb B12 decreases, and many common medications can deplete it further. When B12 levels drop too low, our nerves can't communicate properly with our muscles, leading to those painful spasms. Including eggs in your diet several times a week can help maintain healthy nerve function and reduce cramping. For those concerned about cholesterol, research shows that most seniors can safely enjoy 6 to 7 eggs per week without problems. Consider having an egg with your evening meal. The nutrients may help prevent those nighttime cramps that disrupt your sleep. Now, let's turn to bananas, nature's perfect portable snack and a cramp-fighting powerhouse. Those painful muscle spasms are often caused by an imbalance in electrolytes, particularly potassium. A medium banana provides about 420 milligrams of potassium. That's 12% of your daily needs in one delicious package. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents them from becoming too intense. Many seniors don't realize that common medications like water pills can deplete potassium levels, making cramps more likely. Eating a banana a day can help restore this crucial balance. Bananas also contain magnesium, another mineral essential for muscle relaxation. When magnesium levels are low, muscles can't relax properly after contracting, leading to those painful spasms. The 32 milligrams of magnesium in each banana works with potassium to keep your muscles functioning smoothly. Try having a banana about an hour before bedtime. The combination of potassium and magnesium may help prevent those midnight cramps that jerk you awake. Check the links below for more resources on maintaining proper electrolyte balance as we age. Our third superfood for preventing cramps might surprise you with its versatility: nuts and seeds. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with magnesium, often called nature's muscle relaxer. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios are also excellent sources. Magnesium helps regulate the calcium in your muscle cells. Without enough magnesium, calcium can build up and cause excessive contraction, leading to cramps. Nuts and seeds offer another benefit: healthy fats that improve circulation. Poor blood flow can contribute to muscle cramps, especially in the legs. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and the monounsaturated fats in almonds help keep your blood vessels flexible and your circulation strong. Try keeping a small container of mixed nuts by your chair for a healthy snack, or sprinkle seeds on your morning oatmeal or salad. Just a small handful a day can make a noticeable difference in how your muscles feel. What makes these 3 foods so special is how they work together to support muscle health from different angles. Eggs provide the protein and B12 for muscle and nerve health. Bananas offer potassium and natural sugars for energy, while nuts and seeds supply magnesium and healthy fats. It's like having a complete muscle support team right in your kitchen. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that while these foods can help tremendously, they're most effective as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated, doing gentle stretches, and maintaining an active routine all contribute to keeping cramps at bay. These 3 foods are powerful allies, but they work best when combined with other good habits. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like, share it with someone who struggles with muscle cramps, and subscribe to join our Golden Life community. New videos every week, crafted for your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, may your nights be peaceful and your muscles take care and stay golden, my friends.